Okay, well, welcome to my quote-unquote testing facility. Okay, don't judge me. So, alright, this is what we have. 4.3 DC converter plugged in straight into the cabinet. I don't have a face. This is the open face cabinet. I have the photocell connected. There's electrical tape over it, so as soon as I plug in the battery, the lights will turn on. What we have going on here is photocell reds directly into the bus bar as well as the black. Then we have the photocell blue wire that's tapped into the DC converter red and white wire, and then we have our black going into the bus bar. So this is just connecting directly straight from DC converter to a photo sensor. And so when we plug in, we connect the battery and the cabinet lights up, we immediately get flashing. We also, if I plug in the software, you can get a reading. It's kind of hard to see, but these numbers fluctuate, and we're getting sometimes the voltage in will spike all the way up to 13. Voltage out will also spike to 13. Right now it's there. Yeah, now voltage in is 13 and voltage out is 6. So we're getting the current is fluctuating, which isn't good. So what I'm going to do is unplug the battery, and I'm going to unplug the photocell that's connected to this cabinet, and I'll plug in a photocell that I've wired here on the outside. It's the only way to be able to test the cabinet with this relay switch. The only difference being is really nothing. So I'm using the same Teflon wire, the same length, and I'm plugging the photocell directly into the bus bars just like the other one. No difference there. The plug-in for the DC converter, sorry. Again, the black goes straight in to the bus bar, and this is where it changes. Is we have our red and white wire connected to a blue wire, but this isn't the photocell wire. This is just going straight into the relay switch. The photocell wire, this Teflon wire, this is what's connected to the photocell. That's going directly into the relay. This wire should actually be black. I just didn't have any black wire, but now we're plugging in the black relay wire into the bus bar and the red relay wire into the bus bar. And then when we plug in, we make our battery connection. Voila. Solid. And we're getting a solid reading here. It's the voltage in and out. The current's not spiking. It's staying pretty level. The one thing I have noticed is plugging in directly earlier without the relay, the wire was getting really hot. Now when I change this parameter to 10.5 parameter, you'll see the lights just dimmed just slightly, and now our voltage out is reading 10.4. Voltage in is now we have a little bit more voltage coming in and less going out, but it's still staying regulated. So anyway, that's it.